Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to start a new series which is only meant for Salesforce Financial Service Cloud. So in this series, we are going to teach you Salesforce Financial Service Cloud from basic to intermediate to advanced. So please stay tuned with this series and let's get started. So, a little bit about myself. I am Abhishek Verma. I am a technical lead at Silverline. I have 19th certification. I am system and application architect. I have my own YouTube channel, which name is Salesforce Shastras. So, this is little bit about myself. I am also experienced almost 3 years of experience in financial service cloud as well. So, let's move ahead and so in this video, we are going to talk about the history of financial service cloud, then why we need the financial services cloud, then the key feature and the core elements offered by the Salesforce financial service cloud. What is retail banking? What is wealth management? What is insurance? What is onboarding? What is mortgages and commercial banking? And we will end up this video with looking at the features of the financial service cloud. So today we will take an example of a bank, a traditional investment bank. So this bank always face three problems. So let's say what are the three problems? First is the regulation. Regulation means what the RBI used to have some regulation, like let's say we have a RBI. Okay, so let's click on the draw right now and we'll click on this. So let's say there is a RBI. Okay, RBI used to have the rules and regulation. Let's say they have regulation related to repo rate. They can change anytime. So whenever a repo rate or any rules change, bank has to update their system every time according to these regulations. Apart from this, there is a major concern over the data security because since they are maintaining their server internally, okay, they have to maintain all the data and secure the data in their server as well. So this kind of problem banks usually face. Another problem bank face is the competition. Let's say 3 or 4 years ago or 5 years ago, there was only 2 to 3 banks, major banks, you can say. Now, if you see, we have 10 plus banks in India. So many fintechs has been merged, right? So what is happening here is the competition is increasing in the banking domain drastically. So whenever a bank is want to grow their business, they have to catch up with the competition. So this is a biggest problem right now bank is facing is the competition. Now let's say third example of a problem is called the technology. If you see the user interface of right now banks or their app, it's very poor. Like user don't know how to navigate to particular portion, how to raise a request or something. So this is related to AI. They have not advanced their UI. Apart from that, they don't use the advanced system like I'm not talking about the artificial intelligence, but they are not using the cloud computing. They are storing their data in their server. They are doing all the manual work still, right? So our financial systems should or bank should have a latest technology. So these are the three problems which every bank is facing right now. And we will see in the future how financial service cloud, how FSC will solve these issues of this particular bank. So before that, first we have to learn about what is financial service cloud is. So financial service cloud, also known as the FSC. Okay, so financial service cloud is just another product that has been designed to support wealth management, retail banking, commercial banking, and the insurance market. Financial Service Cloud released on 2006 and it was initially designed to support the wealth management. Right now, as Financial Service Cloud get updated in each and every quarter and they used to release new and new features. So in 2023, they are supporting so many sectors, including the banking, insurance, commercial banking, retail banking, and so many things that we will see in the future. So this is all about the FSC. It's mainly focused on the managed package. It comes with a unmanaged package as well, and it's mostly drive through the permission set. Okay, so these things we have to remember that everything happens. If you want to give the access to user, you have to give the permission set of the FSC. Now we see the problems. We see what is financial service cloud. Now let's see how FSC is solving these problems. So we saw that competition, right? So in FSC, you will get the 360 view of the customer. 360 view of the customer. What will happen with that? So let's say one person came to bank. Okay, a banker will be there, and he asked that I'm having this problem. Can you give me the details? Okay, you want the details. So with the 360 view of customer, banker can easily provide all the detail within the minute, right? So it is saving the time. Apart from that, since they are using FSC, it is a cloud-based technology. It is on the Salesforce itself. So they don't have to maintain the server. They don't have to maintain people who will going to maintain the server. They don't need to worry about the data or anything. So it is also reducing their cost. So this by reducing their time and reducing their cost, they can reduce the competition because they are providing the fast services as compared to their competitor. Okay. So this is how a FSC can solve the competition problem. Now let's talk about the regulation. Since this data is stored in the Salesforce clouds, or we can say Salesforce servers. Okay. So all the data related problem can be easily managed, or data security can be easily managed by the FSC itself. Also, it is providing a single view of customer data so that who should see what that can be managed with the profile and permission set. So this kind of regulation or any updates comes in regulation that can be easily cope up with this financial service cloud. Now let's talk about the technology problem. Okay, so as I told you earlier that the financial service cloud update themselves in 6 months or so, or each 3 months, right? So it is always updated. Let's say about the bank who is using the manual server. If they have any new features they want to use, they have to do the development for that. But if they are using the FSC, all the latest update automatically include in their trial in their org also. So they don't have to maintain or create anything from by themselves. They just get the auto update on their org. So this is how financial service cloud can solve the competition, regulation, and technology problem. So this is all about the industry challenges. Let's move and see the what are the verticals available. Verticals means in which area financial service cloud is used. So financial service cloud used in wealth and asset management. In wealth asset management, private banks comes, registered investment advisor comes. In banking domain, it's come as a B2B. It is business to business and business to customer. It is not bank to bank or bank to customer. Okay, third vertical is the insurance vertical, in which like you buy the insurance of, let's say, car insurance, home insurance, or your personal insurance. So all the insurance related process available in the FSC, all the banking related process available in the FSC, all the wealth and asset manage and related process is available in the FSC. So let's moving on to the next. We have the key core elements. So financial service cloud, if you see the high level architect of financial service cloud, you see it is the combination of sales cloud and service cloud. It is also come up with the industry based data model. So what do I mean by the financial services come with the sales cloud and the service cloud? So when you are using the financial service cloud, you will get all the object, all the process, all the functionality of the sales cloud. Also, you will get all the functionality of Service Cloud, whether it is omni-channel, queue, case management, or you want lead management, opportunity management. You will get it with it, Financial Service Cloud. Okay. Also, Financial Service Cloud come with the industry-based data model. So we see the three sub-verticals here: wealth management, banking, and insurance. So these verticals has their different process. This has their different process. Insurance is their different process. For each vertical, Financial Service Cloud has their own data model that can be used based on the your requirements of a particular financial institution. Financial Service Cloud also come with a pre-built process, which what we have discussed right now. After that, Financial Service Cloud also comes with the pre-built flows. So let's say if you want to activate your card, okay, so you don't need to implement the flow from start. You can pick up from the pre-built flow, make the changes, and activate it. And you can use it. So you don't have to spend too much time on building anything from the zero. You can utilize the pre-built flows. So there are so many, almost 40 plus flows is available that can be utilized into Financial Service Cloud. Apart from that, it comes with the permission sets as well. So let's say you install the Financial Service Cloud and you can't see the financial services related data or objects. So for that, you have to give the permission set to particular user. It is a standard FSC or advanced FSC or basic FSC. There's a particular permission set available based on the license you have purchased. So you have to give this access to a user using the permission sets. So these are the core key elements of the FSC, what I can see right now. Now we will see the core offering of FSC, like in which area FSC has offered. So first area we will discuss about the retail banking. So what is retail banking? So let's say you have a bank and you are the customer. Okay. So now bank is dealing with the individual customer, which comes into the retail banking. So what this customer will take the service from the bank. He will take the loan. Okay. He will have some saving accounts. He might have some credit card or debit card. He might have some FD. Okay. So all the services he's taking is bank given to a particular person. So all these things comes into the retail banking. It's just for the retail. So let's say he want to open a saving account. So FSC can you can utilize the open account flow for this. Okay. If you want to have a loan, so you can utilize some action template, which we will see later in the video. So these are the flow for each and every process available for the retail banking. So apart from that, let's say he is facing some problem, this guy is facing the problem into the bank, he can raise the case very easily also because uh, they have provided on the website, they have provided on the phone banking. If they are facing any issue, they can raise a case which comes into Service Cloud. Okay, so this is the basic of retail banking and the example of retail banking. Now let's move ahead and we see the wealth management. So wealth management, what is wealth management? So let's say I'm a person, okay, who had lots of money and I don't know how to plan my money or how to plan my wealth. I have so much money to spend. So what I will do, I will hire an investment advisor, all the wealth manager, who will do all the planning for my investment. Whether I want to spend for the medical, how much insurance I should buy, how much stock I should cover, how much money I need to save for my home loan if I want to purchase, how much money I need to save if I want to purchase a car, and how I can increase my wealth. So this wealth manager will be responsible for maintaining the wealth of particular person. So this is called the wealth management, and this is also handled by the various wealth management advisory companies also, and also you see the CAs. They also provide the wealth management services. So this is a little bit about the wealth management. Now we will see the insurance. So every professional who is working or Anyone always buy insurance, right? Right now, banks also offer the insurance. Otherwise, we have some insurance companies as well. Insurance companies. Okay. So this company also sells the insurance. We call it as a policy. So once a bank is selling the insurance, there is a set of instruction need to be followed. When a insurance company is selling the insurance, a set of instruction that need to be followed. So these are the functionality which is related to selling the insurance to a particular customer that can be also done in the FSC using the pre-built flows and the processes available in the FSC. So this is about the insurance process. Now let's move the customer onboarding. So let's say a person who want to create an account. He want to create a saving account in the bank. Okay. So recently I went to a particular bank, and first what they used to do is to give me a form. Okay. Sir, fill up this form first. Then you have to complete your KYC. Then they will do some verification, and after that verification, your account will be open within 6 days. This is what they told me. Okay, but let's say if you are using the FSC, you will have some pre-built flow which you can publish to online. So user who is using the bank website online, they can also fill the form online, right? They can do the online KYC. Bank can verify customer data online, and account can be opened within the 5 to 10 minutes. Few banks allows account opening with the mobile also, and that can also done from the FSC. So this process from filling up form to opening up the account is called the customer onboarding. Means what? Customer is onboarding on particular bank. So this is one flow which is used for the customer onboarding. Now let's move ahead and see what is mortgages. So let's say I have a home loan, not home loan, I have a home, okay, and I need money right now. I can't take the personal loan. I can't take any other loan. I don't have a gold or something with me. So what I will do, I will go to the bank and say, hey, this is my papers of property. And can you give me the loan in return, the particular amount you want? So this process, like giving your loan papers or giving your home papers to a particular company and getting the money from there, it's called the mortgages. Related to mortgages, whatever process these banks follow, all the processes available in the FSC as well. So let's say loan application has a set of instruction like this will go from here to here, then there will be a CIBIL check, and there will be verification. They will analyze the cost of particular home, and after that they will approve the loan and give the money. So for this also there is a set of instruction which can be utilized by the action template in the FSC, which we'll see later in the video. So this is all about the mortgages. Now let's move to another vertical called the commercial banking. We see one person is interacting with the bank, and bank is interacting with the person. Okay. Sometimes it happens the bank is interacting with the particular bank as well. Like bank is giving money to this bank. This bank is giving loan to this bank. This is the transaction happens between one bank to another bank or any other financial institution or a big company. It's called the commercial banking. Okay, so all the process related to commercial banking also available in the FSC. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do like, share, subscribe this video, and stay tuned for the next video.